Every winter, there is an activity that we like to do on our property. There are a few things that you will need. The first being some really, really cold weather. The next, boiling water. You also need the sun to be peeking just over the horizon. Be aware this activity is going to be very, very cold, but it is going to be magic. You want to be careful when doing this activity though, because it can be dangerous. If the boiling water lands on you, you could get burnt. You'll want to get the technique right with the flick of a wrist. The best thing to use is the thermos. You're going to want to go up and straight over the top of your head. It's not really an activity for small kids, but it is amazing to watch for them.